So I don't know if you know about what go on in Jamaica, Era Circle. The woman named Alice.
Yeah.
And a local video circulate her mama wipe her backside and all these things close to the food and all these things.
Mama shit up herself.
Mama shit up herself,
Shit
brother.
up herself, mama.
You buy a crab at Era Circle yet?
You know, say that thing ain't bother me because here what go on now. I don't eat crab. And the next thing too, I'm allergic to shellfish. But brother, you never drink none of dog soup.
Half a tree, brother. You want to know something?
Brother.
I never, but me hear about it though. Me hear about it though.
Dog soup sweet. People that drink the dog soup, I never know say a dog soup, father.
It beat the dog soup.
What you mean?
Bad.
It's a couple mongrels string up too. Couple mongrels string up, father.
Yo, you know some more if what them do with them mongrel when them they send to Canada from Jamaica? They put them mongrel on a flight and send them to Canada. How I go over there? Anybody have to update for the dog? Dog, they don't have Mr. Chick.